If the side of your car is littered with little scratches like this, then you need Formula One Scratch Out to help remove them fast. Now, Scratch Out is not a miracle worker, but you'd be surprised how many little scuffs and dings it can take out in just a few minutes. Finding a scratch on your car after a trip to the store can absolutely ruin your day, but that's where Scratch Out comes in. It's super handy for when kids are kids and they open their doors into shopping carts, or your winter jacket's zipper leaves a nice mark on the side of your ride. So instead of parking in the way back of the lot or taking up 2 spots at the store just so no one opens their door into you, find yourself some Scratch Out and relax.